taste of a cherry chapstick. Ooh, hi, it's me, Cindy the dog. Just to let you know, I've been in the kennels while my folks have been on the holidays. Yeah. Now, I know in the first video, I said that the kennels were pretty shyster, but no, I was jumping to conclusions. I didn't really know what it was going to be like. I thought I was going to be there with that stupid flaming Molly. She's not there now. She's gone. She's gone. She's history. She's Shay Long, what do you call it? She's on the International Space Station. Experimentation. Yeah. Anyway, I'd just like to give a plug to Westway Kennels because I think they're brilliant. I've got a friend there called Roxy. And I also have a boy dog. I forgot what his name is now. Oh, he was hot. He was hot. He sniffed me downers. And I thought, what's going on here? Sniffing me downers then. And before you know it, I'm sniffing his downers. And then there's about 8 dogs. And they're all sniffing each other's downers. And it's like a downer sniffing rave type thing job. Yeah. I just don't know what's going on. But yeah, loved it. Yeah. Had a hell of a time. Yeah, my dad came back and, yeah, missed him a lot. We had our stuff together and that. We went out. Yeah, loved it. Yeah, I got told off for swearing the other week. Yeah. I didn't have my mouth washed out. I didn't get beaten or anything like that. But I was on the lag for a few days. Yeah. As you can imagine, I was pretty naffed off. But I'm beginning to liven up a little bit now. I'm not going to get stressed over the silliest little things. Yeah. Back out on the walkies tomorrow, I think, with my old man. Quite looking forward to that. I can smell a bit of lamb cooking now, so hopefully I'll get some crispy fat bits off it. As long as it's not got that stupid mint sauce on. That's disgusting. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.